everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Bao Chi and today we are in the beautiful city of Hoi An. It's a city in Vietnam and it's famous for being beautiful and filled with lanterns. But what we're interested in today is making custom clothes. So today I'm gonna have my dream dress made. I found a place that had 8,000 reviews with 5 stars, so we're gonna check it out. I'm so excited and I'm gonna take you guys with me. It's a 12-minute walk and it's not that far, but it is so sunny. And we didn't put body sunscreen, so our bodies are roasting right now. I'm gonna ask them if they can do this in one day because we're actually in this city for only 2 days. I found this dress on House of CB. I'm gonna show it to you right here. And I just want it made perfectly for my body and maybe do some adjustments with the size, the length, and all of this. So yeah, let's go! It's a really nice walk and also cars aren't allowed here, so you only have bikes. It's so nice here. Everywhere you have lanterns. So the shops are filled with lanterns and even the streets. On every street you're gonna have lots of tailoring shops. You can have your bags custom made, your shoe custom made. You can have everything custom made. We're almost there, but I'm super dehydrated. And I saw this Sing Fu Tang. It looks so good. Like it looks like a temple almost. This is what I'm having, the top brown sugar pearl milk. And I'm gonna have a baby size. It's 50,000 VND. I think it's like $2. Wow, it's so pretty. Look, this is what I'm having, the baby size, because I don't want to have too much caffeine in my body. It's so cool, it's tiny. That's exactly what I need. Come on. Look at how cute it is. So good. The brown sugar bubble tea at Sing Fu Tang is the best. It's so good. You finish this in like 2 sips. We finally arrived and this place is called 45 to Tailor. I don't really know how to pronounce that, but here we are. Let's go. Sincha. I'm gonna show them the dress I want to make and also if it's possible to do it in 24 hours. Chào chị.
Ủa? Việt Nam hả?
Nhưng mà chị không nói tiếng Việt rành lắm.
What do you want to look in for?
Okay, can I show you? Is it possible to do it in one day? To do in one day?
What time tomorrow you leaving?
6 p.m. To do something like this?
Yes.
It's
But
possible?
the concept like this, we do just I can't put inside. I just do the seam like this, okay. And you want the lace like this? We do similar.
Similar,
Because
yeah.
the pattern we have a little bit different and then the quality we have still a little bit different. Some shape a little bit similar.
Yeah.
What about the way the lace?
Can do the lace or no? Can do like extra lace or?
Extra lace, we have similar lace. The lace quite big. If you want, I can ask later. I do the string for you first, and if even I show you the lace, if you're happy with the lace, I can do the lace.
Okay, yeah. This I don't want at the bottom. This no pockets, like in this. Is it possible to do like a slit?
But slit, just in case you want to do slit, no button, no lining, no problem.
Oh, it's so cool. She's drawing it. She's drawing the dress.
Hello to you. You want flicks? I do flick later. Anything else?
No, that's it. You want?
Okay. 75 up to $90.
Okay. Okay, cool. Thank you so much.
You can look in it.
Okay. So this is cotton. You think what's better for this?
Cotton.
Okay.
You want pattern or you want just plain color?
Pattern. Yeah.
You can look at it.
Thank you.
I have some in here.
Yeah. Wow.
And here too.
Wow. Okay. Thank you. It's so pretty. There's so many. Wow. They're so pretty. It's gonna be so hard to choose. They also have like, all of this is cotton. This one is not the same fabric. I don't know. Wow, they're also pretty. I think I prefer these. This one's pretty cool, but I like.
You can bring out and look into.
Oh, cool. Thank you so much.
Bring out. You're looking on your pair.
Oh, nice. Oh, cool. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, come on.
Take my app.
cái này đẹp á. Cái này đẹp.
Cái xoắn này
Ừ. Ừ.
hơi bị nhiều quá. Too much.
If I take chiffon, is it gonna look as nice?
Yes, they're still floating.
Oh,
Like this.
okay, yeah.
What about the top one?
Yeah, this one is really pretty.
Similar on the
It's
picture.
true.
Look, nhìn nó cũng hơi bụng.
Bụng là gì?
Nó hơi nó không có được happy lắm. Ý là
Buồn hả?
buồn. Cái màu nó hơi buồn.
She's a bit boring, she thinks it's xin lỗi nha.
Không sao.
It's so hard to choose.
Mình có muốn ở đây anh cũng xem cũng được.
What about this one?
Anh lựa đi.
She said better you choose. Me, I don't like.
Không có đẹp. Nhẹ nhàng hơn này. Tại vì cái kiểu mình là phông nó cũng hơi busy á. Nên là mình mặc cái này cho nó nhẹ nhàng. Đó.
I feel like I'm gonna stay here for an hour. Because you see, imagine this as a dress.
Hay là cái này.
Oh,
This one better.
this one, yeah.
This one too much, right?
Can I see? Which one do you prefer? You?
This one là midi, right? Mình nói tại vì da mình là nó hơi bị Asian nên là nó hơi khó để mặc cái này. Nó khó.
Said this doesn't suit my body tone.
Cái này nó đẹp hơn.
Cái này đẹp không? Nếu nằm như vậy.
Cái này đẹp hơn.
This one is nice.
This one better. Cái này nó nhìn nó thanh thoát hơn.
Can I keep this one for now? Thank you.
This one too light.
This one's better.
So you're looking more.
Yeah, come on. I really like this one because green suits me, but we're gonna have another look. I think I might want to see this one. We're gonna go for this one. Okay.
I can do for you Vietnamese price, $85.
Okay. Can I have the ribbon?
Yes.
Yeah.
2,200,000.
Okay.
Thank you. Can I measure for yourself?
Yeah.
So the purse here, how low you want?
I want so that doesn't make me look fat.
So here.
Here is better.
And then flow.
It's very precise. For the length, I'm gonna go for like my skirt.
Come about 11 morning?
11 morning.
Yes.
It's to
10:30.
okay, 10:30. Yeah, come on.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Yay! I'm stressed. We just paid and they're gonna give you a receipt, and tomorrow we have to come back to do the first fitting, and if they need to, they're gonna make some adjustments. And also I was thinking about making a slit, but she told me to wait to see the dress without the slit first and then decide later. So that's what we're gonna do tomorrow, and I'm so excited and scared. And it cost $85. We spent about 1 hour in that shop, and now we're just at the restaurant. It is 3 p.m. and we're eating lunch. We're so hungry. It's a bit scary because I'm just scared that the color isn't gonna suit me, but we'll see.
The next day.
So we are at the hotel and we're waiting for a car to pick us up. We're calling a Grab. This is like the Uber for Vietnam. And I'm so excited to see my dress. It's not gonna be the final result, it's gonna be the first fitting, but yeah, I'm super excited. I didn't film this, but yesterday we also made a custom bag and custom shoes, and I'm so excited to see the result. It's gonna be finished at 3 p.m, so I'm gonna film that and show you guys. So I'm gonna get a dress, a bag, and shoes. Xin chào.
Xin chào.
I actually have a knot in my belly. I don't know why, but I am so stressed. I think it's also because it's quite expensive, like $85, and I really want to like it. But they have like 5-star reviews, so I should be fine. We're here, we have the receipt, and let's see my dress because I'm so excited. Xin chào.
You go upstairs with me. You go this way upstairs.
Oh, okay.
Morning.
Morning.
Please come inside.
Come on.
Good afternoon.
I see my dress. Yes. Yeah. Now it's good. Đẹp quá.
Anh đi cầm gì nè.
It's so pretty no?
Dài nè, nó hơi dài quá.
Dài một chút. Làm cho nó ngắn được không? Just this is a bit long. It's so pretty no?
How short you want?
Like this no? Wow.
Cái này hơi
Dạ như vậy.
đất hả?
Làm cho nó so pretty, but we're just gonna make some adjustments to make it even better. Oh, she's making it a bit lower. I love this. They did the lace like in the picture. Wow, that is so pretty. Yeah, I prefer it like this.
Anh chí đòn ở dưới nó kìa. Đúng anh chí lái luôn rồi.
But yeah, they're just gonna make it a little bit tighter. Yeah. Em thấy như vậy đẹp. Yeah. It's nice here how it is around my bust. It's so cool because it's really made for my body. I was so stressed, but I feel so much better. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Come on. It's exactly like in the picture. Like, look at this. So nice. Like, it's so nice because they did the lace. At first she told me she didn't think it would look good because the lace is quite big, but she made it work. It is like the picture. It's just, I don't have that corset, but she warned me in the beginning. It's still giving me like a snatched look, I feel like, because they're gonna make it tighter here. So we're gonna come back later and pick the final result. I'm so happy because I know it's gonna look good. It already looks good, but with some adjustment, it'll be the perfect dress. So this is the place. I will put the address in the description. They told me I can come back in 30 minutes and it would be done, but we have a few things to do, so we're gonna come back later. We're actually gonna pick it up at the same time as the bag and the shoes that I had custom made. It was so funny because she called me Bauchi, because when you guys come and see me, you usually pronounce my name like Bauchi. This is actually how I pronounce it for you guys, so it's easier. But how Vietnamese people are gonna say it, it's like this. It's gonna be Bauchi. And when my mom is gonna be scolding me, that's exactly how she's gonna call me, Bauchi. And that's how the girl called me, and it was just funny. Anyway, we're just gonna go on with our day, and then I'm gonna show you the final result and the bag and the shoes. It's 2:30 p.m. and it is finally time to pick up the dress. It's gonna be the final result, and then we're gonna pick up the bag and the shoes. I hope the bag is gonna turn out good because I asked for something quite specific, so we're gonna see. Okay guys, so this is the final result. We're gonna try it on and see if it fits. Let's go! I'm not taking you with me though. Ta-da! That's the final result.
Can come downstairs and take one photo if you don't mind.
Oh yeah. I'm obsessed. So now that we have the dress, I'm gonna go get changed and we're gonna pick up the bag and the shoes.
Chị ơi, nhà chưa xong.
Chưa xong hả? Yay! Wow, đẹp quá. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, wow, I love them. They're so nice. Look guys. Yes, they're super pretty. I'm gonna try them on. Cái sắc chưa xong hả?
Dạ, cho 1 tiếng 5 phút.
1 tiếng hả?
Dạ không, 5 phút.
Yeah. Okay, so the bag is not ready yet. It's gonna be in 5 minutes, and we're gonna try the shoes. Ta-da! It's a bit tight right now, but she said it will stretch.
No, yeah, they will.
They're so pretty. Wow, they really match with my dress. I'm so happy. Yeah, they're comfortable like on the sole, but it's a bit tight on the side, but it's gonna stretch. Nó chật một chút nhưng mà thì
Dạ không, da thật nó giãn. Mấy bữa nữa là sẽ giãn nha.
yeah, cảm
Cái
ơn.
nó em làm rộng rồi số chân của chị.
Yeah.
Rộng nó hơn nữa là ít bữa da nó giãn rồi là sẽ rộng hơn. Nó đẹp.
Yeah. Đẹp quá à.
Dạ, quá đẹp. Hợp tông màu của chị luôn.
Yeah. It matches with my nail polish. Okay, so now we're waiting patiently for the bag. I'm super excited. Actually, let me show you what I asked for the bag. I asked for this style, and I asked to add 2 pockets and to have it in green. So we're gonna see how it turns out. So it was a bit longer for them to get our bags ready. Meanwhile, with Jake, we did a candy workshop and it lasted about 2 hours. So now we're heading for the bags, and out of nowhere there are so many people on the street. Anyway, I am super excited to see the bag. Chào chị. Chị lấy cái sắt. Cái sắt Dạ, cảm ơn. Wow, đẹp quá. Wow, cảm ơn. Wow, that's exactly what I wanted. Wow, cảm ơn nhiều, đẹp quá.
Chụp một cái.
Giúp mình một cái review đi.
Yeah.
Với lại TikTok.
Yeah.
Name.
TikTok, YouTube, Instagram.
Yeah. Name shop nghe.
Yeah. Come on.
Thank you.
Come on, you. We got the goods. Let me show you. Da, 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 da. This is like the first pocket that I wanted. This is the second one. It's so nice. It's so unique. Look at this. Ta-da! I love it. So the place is called Hoi An leather. You guys should come here because they are so nice, and really they made my dream bag. I am so happy. This is like, on camera it's not even as pretty as in real life. So it was quite pricey. If you buy them pre-made, so you can buy actually the leather bags, it's going to be half the price, but I wanted pockets and I wanted a different color, so it cost $90. But if you want to buy them pre-made, they have a lot of choices and it's going to be like $50. To me, $90, it is so worth it because it's real leather and it's a really big bag and it's so unique. No one is going to have this bag, except if you copy me. So don't copy me. Anyway, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it and see you guys next month for another video. Mwah!